Good morning to all of you. I am Vanshika from 9th class from CDS International School. Today I am here with a speech on the increase in number in the rape of the girl. The rape is the worst crime which is increasing in India day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute. As you know, thinkers are thinking to reduce this crime. Philosophers are making another philosophy out of it, yet the crime is not decreasing. It is increasing day by day. As according to the reports, the rape disaster have been influenced very much. According to the reports, 4 women get raped in India every hour. Just think, 4 women. And if we tell about the other information, that one girl between 1 to 12 year age get raped in India every day. Total 92 women get raped in India every day. These are the women who raise their voice, but there are a lot of women who feel the same but do not raise their voice. And when a girl is raped, the society asks question from her that why did you do this? Why did you go there? Why you wear such type of dress? I have a question, that why the same questions are not asked from the boy, that why you do rape of a girl? Why the same girls deserve when she wear that type of dress? Why girls have to go through the every test? Thus the boy raped that girl. Thus the boy raped girl. They literally have forgotten that these are the women who give birth to them. They just forget. Some people say age matters. How age matters? A small girl who is just 6 months is also raped. A old woman who is 80 years is also raped. A woman is just 17 years is also raped. So how can you say that that age matter? No, age doesn't matter. The parents of the girls say to them that you should be careful in wearing of dress, because some people read it, the short dress as an invitation to rape her. But did the parents teach their son that it doesn't matter how a girl dressed, it matters that she is loyal or not? Instead of teaching to your daughter that don't get raped, teach your son don't rape any girl. Some people say that this is the responsibility of the girl to be very careful. No, it is the responsibility of the whole society. There is a need to take a step and realize that rape is an indefensible crime. Nobody seems or feels that the women are not responsible for it, because it is caused by a man who cannot control his aggressiveness and the thought that he is in mind. Some people say that girls should not be walked on the barren places because it is not safe. So friends, what would you like to say about the Nirbhaya incident, which has happened in New Delhi with the 24-year girls in a moving bus? Is she alone? No, she was not alone. She was with the passengers and the driver of that bus. Okay, so if a girl gets molested, even she is careful, it is not her fault. It's the fault of the molester. Do you think that the crime is increasing in India day by day, but it appears that a rapist are not scared about any rule and regulation of the government? A bad thing which I really hate about the India judiciary, that there is not a quick decision. There is not a quick decision taken by the government. There is hiring after hiring, and in this the girl do not get the real justice. A boy who is 18-year-old and he raped a girl, so he shouldn't be punished in the eyes of the law and government, but the boy has grown up enough that he can rape a girl, and at the time of punishment you are saying that he is not of 18-year or adolescent. So that is the problem that the old people have in mind. If we think about the recent incident, Hathras, in this matter dress or age matters? No, doesn't matter. That was a girl simply going to the field, and some boys rape her who cannot control his aggressiveness. And according to the reports, about 90% of the girls who get raped died, and only 10% left, and it is not known they are healthy or unhealthy. Thank you so much.